Deciphering the mysteries of first, second, and third conditionals. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into an exciting world of English grammar, specifically focusing on the first, second, and third conditionals. We're going to look at how these conditionals differ, when to use each one, and we'll round off with some practice to help you solidify your understanding. So let's dive right in, shall we? Before we go into comparisons, let's quickly recap what these conditionals are. First conditional expresses real and specific situations in the future. The structure is if plus present simple, will plus infinitive. For example, if it rains, I will stay at home. Second conditional talks about unreal, improbable situations in the present or future. The structure is if plus past simple, would plus infinitive. For example, if I had a lot of money, I would travel the world. Third conditional describes unreal past, things that did not happen in the past. The structure is if plus past perfect, would have plus past participle. For example, if I had studied harder, I would have passed the exam. So, how do these conditionals compare? It all boils down to the likelihood of the situation happening and when the situation is happening or has happened. The first conditional is used for likely or possible situations in the future. These are events that have a strong chance of occurring. The second conditional is used for situations that are currently unreal and unlikely to happen in the present or future. They express hypothetical situations or dreams. The third conditional, meanwhile, is used for situations that were possible in the past but didn't happen. It's a way to express regret, or to imagine a different outcome of past events. To really cement this knowledge, let's practice together. I'll provide a scenario and you need to create a sentence for each type of conditional. 1. Scenario, winning the lottery. 2. Scenario, studying for a test. 3. Scenario, it might rain tomorrow. Remember, use the first conditional for likely future events, the second for unreal present or future scenarios, and the third for unreal past events. And that wraps up our journey through the world of English conditionals. I hope this comparison between the first, second, and third conditionals has clarified when and how to use each one. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try to incorporate these conditionals in your daily English usage. Thank you so much for joining me today. Stay curious, keep learning, and I'll see you in our next video. Until then, happy language learning!